Hello and welcome to Shadi Cook. Today we are making chai masala powder. Chai masala is basically the blend of spices. This is widely used in India. This is all natural and Ayurvedic and it is very healthy. So let's see what we need for this. 2 pieces of dry ginger, 3 teaspoons of cardamom, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. So let's begin making the chai masala. So first we are going to start by crushing the dry ginger. So after crushing we get it in this form. The reason to crush it is so that it becomes easier to grind it later in the powder form. So now we are going to start by grinding everything. So firstly we are going to take our crushed ginger. Next we are taking cardamom, black pepper, cloves and lastly cinnamon stick. Now let's grind it all together until it forms in a fine powder. So a chai masala is ready. When added to the tea, it gives a very nice flavor and aroma to the tea. You can store it in a container. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. We also have a video on saffron tea or kesar ki chai on our channel Shadi Cook. I will also link it down in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.